and there is no retreat, no surrender, no amount of pushback will make us review that policy decision. It was a decision of the Cabinet of the Republic of Kenya, and that decision is not personal to CS Mbadi.
People have interest in procurement. That is the truth. They still want to go back to manual and manipulate procurement, where they pluck papers from the tender documents, and that is what we are not going to allow. I was hired to bring change. In fact, Parliament vetted me, and one of the things that I committed to Parliament on was to bring e-procurement in government. And they congratulated me for that. So how Parliament can turn around now to say that e-procurement is violating the Constitution? Where is that provision of the Constitution? The Attorney General is here.
At the moment, in the counties, we have a crisis of procuring, courtesy of the new e-procurement system. And I wrote to the Minister for Finance. I think there's something that is not operationally adding up there. And we might be in a situation where by end of Q1, we'll be accused that we've not absorbed any funding